Hello, this is question number 2 on stoichiometry. So how many grams of Hg, mercury, are produced from the reaction of 2.5 moles of HgO in the equation below? So you have 2HgO, and this is 2Hg plus O2. So this is what you're going to do if you have to come across this question. 2.5 moles of HgO, that's our starting point. And we want to figure out the grams of Hg, this one here, that will be formed. So this is what we're comparing there. 2 moles of HgO clearly gives us 2 moles of Hg. So that's very nice. Now let's figure out how many moles is 2.5. Oh, it's already 2.5 moles. So that's good. So 2.5 moles here of HgO would also give us 2.5 moles of Hg. Since it's a 2:2, which you can call a 1:1. So 2.5 moles of HgO will give us 2.5 moles of Hg. Now, how many grams of Hg are produced? You just need to convert this 2.5 moles to grams, okay? So bring it here. Moles equals the mass in grams divided by the molar mass. So what is the molar mass of Hg? Is given here, 200.6 grams per mole. So that just means that the mass would be moles multiplied by the molar mass, right? The moles is 2.5 and the molar mass is 200.6. When you do that multiplication, what would it be? So I see 501.5 grams. So that should be our results. All right. So let me know if you're able to do this quicker. Let me know in the comments. Or do you think this question should take you a long time to do? Like how fast did you do it? Let me know. All right. And I'll see you guys on question 53. What's question 53 like? It's about magnesium and HCl. So make sure that you have subscribed to this channel or have followed this page, depending on where you're seeing this, so that you can see question 53. And I'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.